look now at the treasuries, we were looking for a decline to come into the time frame that we are right now. And the pattern that we have been looking at is due to bottom in about minutes. Really, it's you can see in here that our projection was for it to come down into this week. So that's that 15 you can see right over there. And you can see these last cycles right in here. I don't want to do that. Let's just grab all of this right here. There you go. And you can see that's where the low came in. That was a 16-week low, a 16-week low. We're now at 15 weeks right there. Perfect, right? And it did exactly as we expected. And that panic, buying panic that we saw in the daily right over here absolutely failed in that resistance level and pulled back again. So this looks like we're going to call it maybe 6-7 trading sessions in here to fool around and then make its bottom. And that's aligns with that potential 16-week bottom in here. And then we see a rally coming. And we believe this period right in here of rebound coincides or aligns with a stock market drop. And again, that aligns with our bigger picture analysis that we did just yesterday, where we think the stock market is in a corrective period. So this says to us that that we're going to get into a period where we could rally. The upward target in here is around 123 over the next couple of months in the 10-year when you look at that. And that's well beyond this declining because this resistance line, because what we're looking for is the intermediate resistances then to take a hold, which come in around 123. So that's a look at the ZNs. The ZBs are almost identical pattern-wise. This is a 15-week right over here. There's that big down week was 14th week. And then looking for this to turn up and get up to that mid 50-point range, about 149.11. Yeah, that's a 4.5 point uptick over the next, we'll call it 4 to 8 weeks is what that really looks like, and then the resumption of the bear market in the bond market. So you can see the spectacular cyclical messages in here where you build a base, you have a bullish pattern that fails and makes a lower low, the negative configuration, and then the bounce that fails at resistance and the next downward move. And the clarity in here is unbelievable, and you could see the cyclic pressures in here. That's right, that's this right there. So beautiful messages on here, and the bond market likely to get into a bouncing period. When we look at this looks like about a week or 6-7 days in here. Again, fails right at the proper spot, pulls down now and starts to threaten the low in here. We could make a lower low over this next week and then turn up. But if the stock market starts to get wailed on in a big way, then it's going to be hard to get down below these levels by any significant amount. So bottom forming in here in the bond market, way too late to be short in here, and a stronger likelihood that the bond market bottoms earlier if the stock market is weak than bottoms later than we expect. Because these patterns are just amazingly consistent. You just saw the opening of one of our special member videos. If you'd like to watch the rest of that video and have access to our huge library of videos for traders and investors, just go to askSlim.com. In fact, right now, if you write to me, slim@askSlim.com, I'll send you a special half-price link for our entire video library. 1 month viewing of all of our videos, $16.50. I hope you write to me right now.
I'm going to the city and I'm gonna do a steady show. And I know all my fans wanna learn how to make some dough. I've been